Despite the best of intentions, everyone has a bad cleaning habit or two. Following these tips, however, can help you change your ways. Washing windows at the wrong time of the day may prove counterproductive because glass cleaner dries quickly in the sun and heat, which may cause streaks. Instead, wash your windows in the late afternoon or evening, or when the sky is overcast and it's below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Spills on your carpet can soak in beyond the top layer. If you don't treat the spill at a deeper level, it may work its way up and reappear. Keep stains from resurfacing by blotting a spill immediately with a clean towel. Pour club soda or ice water on it. Blot and repeat until color no longer appears on the towel. For tougher stains, apply a stain remover that's made for your type of carpet and repeat the process. If you add too much laundry detergent to your washing machine, it may not rinse out completely and can actually trap stains in fabric. Get clothes their cleanest by following the instructions on the detergent and in your washing machine manual. Using abrasive scrub pads or cleansers on your countertops could scratch some materials, including granite. Read the instructions on the product to make sure it's right for your surface. When you do clean your countertops, be sure to wipe away all of the cleaning product. Otherwise, you could leave behind a residue that will make your countertops look dull. The best drying tool will depend on your type of countertop, but a clean, soft, dry cloth will typically work best. Abrasive cleaning products or sponges may permanently scratch stainless steel appliances and sinks. To avoid any damage, wipe down these surfaces on a daily basis with hot water using a clean, soft cloth. Then, on a weekly basis, use an oil-based stainless steel cleaner. Using some water on your hardwood floors is okay, but too much can soak into scratches, potentially causing damage. Instead, use a product formulated for wood floors that is diluted according to the label instructions. After dipping your mop into the solution, wring it until it's only slightly damp before starting on the floor. Correcting these cleaning mistakes can help you get your home and clothes cleaner and fresher. For more cleaning tips, visit allstate.com/blog.